on oil.
Yep, it's about to come.
Because this is what we do this every 2 or 3 years.
It's definitely gonna come.
No, do what you can and we'll just...
Oh.
I wonder if the problem is in...
Mark, sewer's not clogged. It's that line over there. And this thing's coming down. Yeah, it's that 90 right there.
You know,
it's gonna be that.
I ran my thing down through there and fuck, I should have checked that first.
Let me grab the small cable. I got that small cable on my van. We'll probably just small cable it, put the rags over the top of it, and we should get it to drain out. Yeah.
Small cable in there.
Yeah, let me grab the stuff. All right, so we took the cap off. You got the line hogging there. It's holding there. And it's also holding from this white line coming over the PVC. It's holding out here with probably about 2 inches of water coming down through the floor drain, but it's all clean water.
Where'd you get this small cable machine from? My van?
Yeah. Sure did. Okay. Alright, so that's on.
I was going to say, okay, that's fine. But
Let's see if I can get a view of that real quick. Let me get the cable in the spot. Right in there. Here we go. Have me on standby to plug that off if we need it. Terry, you want to hold that light in there for me so I can see? A little bit back this way. You probably come behind me if you want. Just show me inside there if you could. Oh yeah, starting to come right now. There we go. It did clog with. I think what happened, Mark, is when the sewer backed up. Terry, get that right in there so I can see it. There we go. Yeah, she's flooding in now. Yeah, so we'll keep the mess down to a minimum. That won't be too bad at all. Let that drain fully out. So there was sewer, toilet paper, water, and stuff. So I think when that backed up, that probably backed that up, and then it was waiting for a rainstorm for that to happen. But what we'll do is that's pretty much drained out right now. You can see it draining down the sewer pipe. Let me pull the cable line back. Emptied out there.
Yep.
No water. Oh, yep. Right down already. All the way down to the bottom. So, Mark, there's another drain picking up from the backside there. Coming from the back.
Oh no, that's just.
Yeah, I just capped it or something.
Just the one.
Okay. Yep. So, let me throw this cap on. Terry, I'll have you fill a bucket of water.
Yep.
We'll dump it down that drain just to make sure we're good and clear. And I'll just put that on light until we know. Yeah, but you can see the sewer water that was in there from when the sewer backed up.
Yeah.
That's exactly what caused it. All that toilet paper just sitting in that smaller pipe.
Well, it must be the 25 foot wasn't enough.
Wasn't enough to poke through that galvanized. Oh yeah, guys, you can get you a close-up view of this, but yeah, so what happened was this sewer backed up last year, and when that backed up, this never really gets water down in here from the outside of the building. But when it started doing it in the winter time here, snow started melting. It finally showed that it was clogged. Okay.
At 107 feet, we found the tree roots. I just assumed it was that. But
I would 100% thought that it was definitely the tree roots.
Yeah.
With the history of the line and stuff, you know.
But yeah, it's usually every second year I have to do these.
He owns like 8 of them on the street, Terry.
Oh, do you?
He's the king of the arena.
There's 4, and I'm going to start getting rid of them because I'm 62 and I don't enjoy doing fucking maintenance. Yeah, I used to enjoy it, but
Well, yeah.
you get to a point where You just don't, you're good for about 3-4 hours of hard work.
And then you're done.
And then I'm done. I don't know about anybody else.
You want me to dump this up there?
Yeah, but let me get this clean out on first.
Oh yeah.
Get it on the threads and
So that was.
yeah, that way we'll get a nice good flush of full size water down there. Full clean water, that way anything that's left in that galvanized 90. Oh yeah. Go through there like butter now. But if the sewer was backing up, you'd never want to take that cap off ever,
Yeah.
you know? Like we were saying earlier, we thought we were gonna get a good flood in here when they.
We've done that before, and it was a bucket brigade full of shit out to the backyard.
I don't know why they didn't cut a T in right there. Basically the sink and you got a little bit of a catch down.
This sink location kills you. Alright, that's good in there. Let him dump that down. Let me.
You ready, Tom?
Yep, go ahead and dump it, bud. Just give it a good tap. Let me through there, Terry, real quick. Just see it. Alrighty, go ahead. Let her rip. There it goes. I think that's what happens is the leaves and stuff get in there. That's the other thing. Mark, is this cap always on it or no?
Yeah, I leave it on.
Okay. Put that on now so those leaves stop getting down in there. That's drained right out. Okay. Yep.
Oh, thanks. A little bit more diligence on my part.